This is the famous Muckross House. Another beautiful day in Killarney. Probably the last one we're going to see for a while, because they're predicting it's going to get rain for the next 6 or 8 days. This is the famous staircase where Queen Elizabeth, who was afraid of fire, insisted it be built so she could escape if she had to. Muckross House. They say they don't allow us to video in there. It's another beautiful blue sky, puffy white clouds. I'm getting many shots as I can, as many photographs as I can. Coming out with a coffee table book of photographs of Ireland. I've just taken a whole bunch of panoramic views for around here. The camera literally puts together practically a 3D photograph from 9 separate photographs. It does components, puts them together. We're going to be selling that book for $39.99, about 100 pages of photographs with explanations of what you're seeing. And they will be for sale probably by Christmas 2024, or for the Christmas season of 2024. Look at the blooms that we have now. Last time we were here at Muckross House, it was October. We were doing with fall foliage. Now we're doing with spring color. Many of the bushes are coming out with spring blooms. This is one of my favorite places in Ireland to visit, Muckross House. Besides the history of Queen Elizabeth and her famous fire escape, just the spectacular park, spectacular views from every angle. It's just amazing. The bushes this time of year are absolutely beautiful. I wish I knew the names of all these bushes, but I don't. If you know them, and for the more page, tell us what we're missing. What kind of bushes are these? I'm not sure. Sounds like the bees like them though. And here's some more. The same, and this is yet another one. It's all pink and spring-like colors. And the grass is cut so beautifully. It looks like bent grass, actually. How beautiful is this bush? Let's see what it looks like from some of the different angles. There, look at that. Is that a great angle? Let's take a quick close-up. So once again, if you know what that is, let us know. I know it's beautiful. And let me know if you know what this is. It's also very beautiful. I'm not sure what these are. They could be daffodils of some variety, but I don't think they are. If you know what they are, leave a message in the more section. I also don't know what these are. But I know they're beautiful. Great spring flowers. Right, these are tulips, apparently. As are the yellow flowers as well. Well, thank you very much for letting me know.
Yes, you're welcome.
You must be a flower person.
No, you see the other one? Those were all red also, but they're already gone.
They were red over there too.
I don't know what colour they were. They're a different
But
sort.
they're a different sort of tulip.
Because those were earlier.
The leaves is probably what tells you they might be tulips.
No, it's a flower. And,
Flower?
yes, and the stem that's...
The stem that's left.
Yes.
Beautiful. You sound like you're from Great Britain.
Yeah.
I can tell. Killarney National Park that people don't see. Rock formations, little paths in this rock garden. We're hiding in the rock garden now. And I'm told, on good information, that kids who live in Killarney, although the park closes dusk, can have found ways over the years to come into the park at night. Well, how attractive would this be? The young high school students in Lough to come and find their own private world of beauty. Once again, we're back at the Muckross House and the blue sky. Not enough sun for my liking, but it looks very beautiful. Looking over at the mountains. We may drive up some of the mountains to the extent we can and see what the views are. Many people climb the mountains. I'm not really interested in that aspect of things. And there's the famous Muckross House fire escape for Queen Elizabeth. Look at how many chimneys there are in this house. Every room was heated with a fireplace in those days when it was built. So this is spring in Muckross House. With the spring flowers in bloom. Not a bad view. Not too shabby. And I'm very happy that it's been preserved by the Irish National Government and not turned over to developers to put houses on. Beautiful view of Muckross House. You can visualize the carriages pulling up to the front of it.